Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix the application wasn't able to start correctly. So the first thing that we are going to do is to go into our search bar and then search for run and then click on open. After that, in this part, we're going to type temp and then we're going to click on OK. After that, what we're going to do is to select all of the files right here. So just scroll down and then select all of the files. And then once you selected all of the files right here, what we're going to do next is to delete it. So click on delete and then click on do this for all current items and then click try again. And then click this once again and then click skip. So after that, click on continue. And then after that, what we're going to do next is to close this and then open run once again. But this time, we're going to put a percentage on both ends of the temp, which is this. So once you put that, we're going to click on OK once again, and then select all of the files right here. After that, we're going to delete it, and then click on do this for all current items, and then click try again, and then click this once again, and then click on skip. So once it is done, what we're going to do is to close it, and then open run once again. And then we're going to type prefetch, so like this, and then click on enter. After that, click on continue. Now in this part, what we're going to do is to select all of the files once again. So just select all of the files right here. And then once you selected all of those, we're going to delete it. And then once it is done, click this and then try again. And then click this once again and then click on skip. After that, what we're going to do on the search bar is to type RSTRUI and then click on Run as Administrator. Now, if your system protection is turned off, what we're going to do is to go into our search bar and then search for Settings and then look for Privacy and Security. Now, in this part, click on Windows Security and then we're going to click on Virus and Threat Protection and then click on Manage Settings. So what we're going to do is to disable all of this. So once you've disabled all of this, what we're going to do is to just proceed with the Restore System Files and Settings. So just click on Next and then follow the rest of the steps right there. And then after that, once you follow it, just wait for it to be restored and then just restart your PC and then that should fix your problem. However, if it is still not working, then the last thing that we can do is to go into this part and then search for Windows Update and then click on Open and then look for any updates available. Now, once you see that there are available updates, make sure that you install it. And then once you do it, just restart your PC by going here and then click on the Restart button. Once you do it, that should fix your problem. So that is basically it.